Yes, Ma'am Fatima Arbuado. We also with us our ESDS, Ma'am Cherry Cabrera, our PSDS, Ma'am Munoz, Sir Bernard. Of course, our English EPS, Sir Winton Sagon. Filipino, we have Ma'am Viduya, our Board of Judges. Ma'am Ervina Francisco, my classmate in the Masteral and Doctoral at Lyceum Northwestern. Ma'am Daisy, school heads of the District 1, mga taram District 1. Fellow school heads, my dear teachers, mga taram National High School family, participants, coaches, good morning to each and everyone. Welcome to mga taram National High School. Welcome to mga tarang umisan. Welcome to the school that cradles the champion. And welcome to the school that offers different kinds of programs. In our junior high, we have the special programs in science, engineering, science, technology, and engineering. We also have the special program in foreign language, specifically Spanish. We also have the special program in the arts wherein we have our different offerings like media arts, visual arts, kaya kahit saan kayo tumingin, yung aming mga murals dyan, they are the product of our visual arts. We also have the best rondalia, not only in Pangasinan, but entire Philippines. And to prove that, you will listen later how they are going to perform, and you will be the one to judge if they are really the best or not. We have also our dancers, wherein if you have watched the formal lighting of the province, ang production number po, galing po sa school namin, we are very proud of that. 50 dancers from the special program in the arts, from the start up to the end of the Christmas lightings. So welcome again. When Sir Winton and Ma'am Viduya called me, Ma'am, could you be the host school for the DSPC? Wala na akong sinabi, yes. Ang sabi ni Sir Winton, ang sarap palang kausap ni Ma'am Virhay. Hindi na siya nag-iisip, yes lang yes. Sabi ko naman sa mga teachers ko, we have to accept challenges. We must be open to challenges because I consider hosting of the DSPC as a very big challenge. Nandiyan ang aking department head ng Filipino, Dr. Alex Sanawi. Nandiyan ang English, Ma'am Lilith Aligaga. Hindi na raw makatulog, magmula nung pumayag ako na mag-host, pero ako, kampante lang. Relax lang po tayo, sabi ko sa kanila. Ang importante, mga tarang National High School will be one. Wala pong imposible. And as the host principal, sabi ko sa kanila, nag-host na ako ng division, nag-host na ako ng Regional School Press Conference, nag-host na ako ng National School Press Conference, and my rating is 101. So ngayon, na mag-host tayo ng DSPC, our rating will be 201. Tama ba yun? Pwede ba yun? And challenges started. Alam ko ang mga contestants natin, pati kami, ang gusto namin. Lahat ng lugar na pupuntahan, Instagrammable. Correct? Sabi ko, Mr. Generoso Rillion of the MAPI Department, the coach of the Baile sa Kalye, pag hindi maganda ang stage, alam na this. Sabi naman niya sa akin, Ma, kung gusto mo ng maganda, bumili ka ng bakal na 20 pieces. Magkano yun? 2,000. Go! Bumili ka. And the one gumawa ng mga ganyan is our smile. Nag-wedding sila lahat-lahat. So, ano ang sabi ko? Bakit Instagrammable? Because sa contest, may mananalo, may matatalo. At least, kung nagpa-picture ka sa stage namin, panalo ka na. Winner ka na. Hindi naman nila alam ang result. Sabihin mo, nandito ako sa stage, nanalo ako. And that is mga tarang National High School. Okay. Yung photobomb namin doon, it's care of Mr. Jeffrey Bachar. And we are very thankful to the LGU. Bakit po? Nung nagpagawa ko ng Christmas tree, ang sinapit ko mga tikles. Sabi nila sa akin, brand ba yan ng Dr. Elvira Viray? Sige, Jeffrey, Hiner, singit kayo. Maghanap kayo ng dekorasyon. Nakahanap sila. Thank you to the LGU. So, gumanda ang Christmas tree namin, gumanda po ang dekorasyon namin. Another, sabi ko, ang lahat ng mga newscaster natin, bata-bata sila, pero ang gusto nila, parang noliticaster sila. Parang Karen Davila. Diba? Parang Bernadette Sembrano, Ma'am Jocelyn Saura. It's a big challenge. Pagandahin mo ang ating TV broad. Maganda po siya kung nandun kayo para kayong mga reyna at hari. And of course, sa ating radio broad, para maganda naman ang sound system. Nandyan po ang mga audio in charge, lima po sila. Sabi ko sa kanila, kahit hindi maganda ang boses ko, pagandahin mo. Kung ano yung kailangan mo, bilhin mo ang lalabas ng magandang boses ni Mother Elvira Viray. And it materialized. And of course, it's Christmas. So I told all my teachers, let all the contestants feel the spirit of Christmas inside your room. Para kung nag-iisip yung contestant, hindi niya alam ang sagot, tingnan niya yung parol. Kahit mali yung isasagot niya, masaya na siya. Diba? Ayan. So I hope you are going to enjoy your stay with us. We did our best. But if you think our best is not enough, there is always a second chance. So, welcome, welcome, welcome to mga Taram National High School. Welcome to mga Taram Umizam. You are all welcome. Enjoy staying with us. Our office is always free, but we cannot serve you lunch and snack. So thank you and mabuhay po tayong lahat. Good luck to each and everyone.